Everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today, I indeed, in fact, cleaned and organized for 8 hours. So first, I went ahead and put all the wire on the rack over there, kind of sorted it by fire alarm, THHN, low voltage, and stuff like that. Then I went ahead and put all the wood and other material that is flammable behind that little slot right there. Took off everything off of this rack right here with the flex. I organized it by 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, and anything bigger than 1 inch. Then I went ahead and organized this and put the giant MC spool on there, put all the THHN stacked, rolled up nicely. Also organized the flexes on that other pallet and the THHN on that pallet. Went ahead and brought in this pallet right here and put the lights on here that was in the Connex because we could not walk into the Connex. Do have to take out these light bulbs still, have to throw those away. So like I said, got these lights out of the Connex, so now the Connex is completely walkable, nothing in the way. Got these panels and stuff stacked up and also stuffed a few things on these bread racks right here. So that takes care of that part of the room. Went over here and moved everything in order, put the wire in front of each other, got the carts lined up. Just got everything condensed and got all the wire taken off of the top of the freedom racks, off the top of the gang boxes, put all the wire in the gang box, got all the ladder stacked up over here, even got an empty cart. Got the little yellow magnetic panel covers stuck on the side of the switch gear, and then another ladder on the other side of the switch gear. Coming back into the back here, did a little bit, took off the second row right here, emptied everything off of that except the disconnect that we made. Took all the yellow little hangers, put those up there. So I didn't do too much back here. And then moving on out into the other room, our normal laydown, that was the medium voltage side. Went ahead and had my apprentice sweep all this up next to the blown transformer right here, or the ATS. Got all the extra wire stuck inside this coffin box. And then my apprentice was kind of working on organizing the gang boxes over there to the left. And I was kind of doing everything else. So I went ahead in here, got all the lights out of here, so now it's completely empty. Got a whole bunch of the stuff that was on top of the lights stuck up onto the top left. Brought in some other things, got the wire puller and the wire jacks and the lights and the light wobble light right here stuck in this corner, and then stuck some stuff on top of the top shelves in the back. A little bit brought some stuff in from the right side, from the laydown, and put it on the right side shelves, and then also got the wire, as you can see right there in between the shelves that was laying on the ground. Got that, had my apprentice stick that over there, so now it's just a power pole laying on the ground. Got our pipe, has pretty much always been on the side right here, but I got a little more stuck up there. Had my apprentice tidy this up a little bit. He threw some pipe up there. I went ahead and swept this up a tiny bit, and then also threw all the ladders back here, took all the candlestick cones and put those back here as well. So got that all taken care of. And then moving on to the inside of the laydown, got the clamshell, didn't really do too much there, but went ahead and organized this other bread rack right here, which has some of our food stuff in here. So I got water, then I kind of organized the bottom shelf kind of by little trays right there. Then I got more food stuff right there, utensils, and then we got some binders and stuff, and then my laundry box up there, or my mobile pantry as people like to call it. So I got all my snacks up there for lunch. Went ahead and cleaned off the top of that little tool cart, took all the little things that were up there, these little baggies full of gear, and put those on the shelf. And the only thing I need to work on probably is I need to figure out if these ceiling tiles are going away. But anyways, I went ahead and organized behind here with all the utensils, I guess. I don't know what you call it. They got the vacuum, got a random rake, some shovels, some brooms, also lots and lots of little tiny dustpans, and what are those, foxtails or whatever. So anyways, that's what I did today. Alrighty, hopefully you guys enjoyed the mobile tour of the electrical room where basically we keep all our stuff. So organize that with my apprentice all day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that tour. Got it looking nice and clean. Obviously the gang boxes along the wall didn't really get too much involved in there. Got a couple of those organized, had my apprentice work on those. So there's still some more stuff to do in there, but everything is like off the floor now. Everything is organized, looking really nice. So I'm really happy with the way that today turned out. It was just a nice easy day of organizing stuff, listening to music, all that good stuff. So anyways, it was fun. I enjoyed it, and I'm glad that it was entrusted into me to take care of it, because I kind of like to know where everything is, and also kind of like to organize it. Obviously everyone's going to want to organize it the way that they like it, so it's nice to be able to know, okay, I put this right here, and then I can help out other people if they need to figure out where stuff is. So I'll know where it's at, and I'm always a good person to ask to know where stuff's at, because I got a weird crazy memory brain like that. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys tomorrow, and where I might be back to electrical work unless I'm doing more organization tomorrow. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.